So we're doing a Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot of stuff here. We'll start off with cleaning things. So I found this Essentials. I don't know if it's a microfiber mop pad, and it has this on the back. So you connect it to this. So it's a Swiffer, but you can throw it in the washing machine. So I thought that was a good idea. And then I bought some of these. These are the pumpkin solar lights. And I think these are so cute. I'm going to put these out today so then they can charge. You pull this tab out right here, that tab right there, and then they're able to charge. And then here's the, I like to put them in my mums. If any of you have mums or potted fall flowers, that's where I like to put mine because then it highlights the mums at night. Hey, look what I found. Aren't these so cute? These little bats. Well, they're not little, they're big. They're probably, I don't know, 16 inches. So I got 3 of them to put on the front porch. So those are cute. What else? I got these. These are the pork rinds fried. They're red hot. We're still on keto. And I have an Airbnb downstairs, so I'll put my Wi-Fi password there and hang that up. I thought that was really cute. Right now I have it written on a piece of paper in the bedroom down there. And so have any of you ever tried this? It's the Totally Awesome Window Clean Vinegar Formula Streak Free. So now is the time. So I'm in Wisconsin, so the weather's getting cold and I have to wash the windows outside before it freezes. So I like to do my patio doors and all the windows I can reach. And then I do the screens as well and put those screens away. So it's that time of year. What else? Ooh, yes. So this is a multivitamin spa treatment mask. I love their masks. With vitamin A, B, C, D, and E. It says put on for 15 minutes. Then we got this. So this is what I need because I bike every day outside and it's cold out. Hand and nail gloves mask. Softening, uplifting. So a mask for your hands. I'll probably do that tonight when I'm watching Hallmark. And this is an avocado and egg white moisture firm nourish. So I haven't seen this one before. This is new to me and I haven't seen it since. And this is by Bolero. So let me see if let me know if any of you guys seen this. Positive Energy, Jojoba, and Aloe. Hydrate, moisturize, soothe. So that's a Bolero. And these are my favorite. These feel so good. These are hyaluronic acid bubble face mask. Yeah, these are really good. So these you put on and it kind of tingles. Infused with glycolic acid. So that's, let's see, earth clay, vitamin C, vitamin E, Yuzu lemon to brighten, clarify, and moisturize skin. And this is, what is this one made by? Yeah, for all skin types. So that's my quick haul. I needed to show you guys before I put everything away because I needed to use those pumpkin lamps pretty quickly in the bats, and I need to use my masks. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. So I'll quick show you where I put my. It's bright outside right now, so it looks better in the dark. But I put the bats on the Halloween tree. I thought that was cute. Let me know what you think. Just fun. Okay, I forgot 2 things in the bag I wanted to show you guys. This is a serum, and there's the ingredients. See if it'll focus. So actually, this is a really good serum. This is my 2nd bottle of this. And then I found super pretty lip gloss, LA Colors. This was kind of, it wasn't with the other makeup. It was on an end cap in the beginning of the store. So just an FYI where you can find the new products. And then it plumps. Tingling Sensation plumps. I went through, it was more pink, but I went through one of those already and I really liked it. Okay, I'm gonna go on my bike ride. I'll show you guys the outside. So it's 48 degrees, dressing warm. Oh, I have my Trump flag out there. Shoot. Wish he would run again. So here is, it's about 1 o'clock. And yep, I'm gonna need a hat and gloves, but I bike 6 miles every day around the horn here. That's my bird feeder. 2 of them, the bears come there, the raccoons, lots of animals. I should just put my camera out there so you guys can see all the animals that come. We have pileated woodpeckers. Oh, there's a woodpecker. He's a slob. Look at him dropping all that. Huh. Come on, man. Oh, there's a whole bunch on the ground. Birds. They're eating when he's dropping. They're saying, oh, I'm so happy he's a slob. Here's a bird. We have a lot of cardinals out there. I don't see any right at this moment, but we keep it full. We do black sunflower seeds. That's the only thing they like. If you notice, if you use bird seed with all those little hard, little round things, they spit those out. They don't like those. They only go for the black sunflower seeds. And then from the suet cake, there's corn in there. So look, there's a little corn stalk that grew right there. See it? I told my husband not to mow that down. I want to see how big it gets. It's getting cold out, so they're eating a lot. Here comes a blue jay. There he goes. Squirrels. We have an albino squirrel and a black squirrel and red squirrels. you doing?